Shit. What happened exactly? This is beyond repair.
Beyond.
Huh?
Beyond. Where is here?
That's how but you hadn't yet put those things in.
I put the pole, but now even I've just called this man. For yesterday I was alone.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday.
Yeah.
This was it.
Mm.
He ran here. He was thinking that maybe I was inside this thing.
Who?
This was it. This is our neighbor. He ran.
So you are not inside?
I was not inside. I was outside.
Even the other one is torn.
But the ropes.
They are torn.
Yeah. Because I was all in this part. This thing throw me up to there.
Are you sure?
Here.
It hit you?
This kaput was very serious. So this Muse was walking here with the pig. So he ran from there.
In the morning?
Not around 9 there. Around 9.
But how can these things break concrete? I don't know.
There was a wind from here.
Hmm?
This Muse was telling me that it's called Nyamutin.
Maybe we didn't make the thing very deep. But they cannot manage.
But this one was like this. Because the thing.
So those things are broken again. Those things are broken.
Bent, but that one. Because for me, I fell up to there. These things.
It threw you or what?
It threw me up.
The wind?
The wind, because I was holding this.
The wind threw you?
Yeah, up here, by the way.
Huh?
Look here. This one.
It broke?
Yeah, this one is broken. But the mattress is there, is our place there.
Where?
This thing I've washed it, but I've stopped the towel. I want also to wash it. So this Mose was telling me that here is not bad, but what you should do, if you want to plant your other things, better you put it behind. Then if you want to put some things for the view, you can put it here, but where people they can sleep, you can put it up there.
But this wind have been here, it comes out to behind here.
Huh?
These winds, they come up to behind.
Yeah. That even you can change. You can change the way how you want to make it, you can even change it.
How?
Not to be very high. Not
This
to be
one?
high, yeah. Because this thing, if it's like this, like yesterday we were carrying this thing, the certain man from there. These things yesterday, yesterday wind was there throughout the night, throughout the day, I mean.
Even these things got torn.
Yeah.
This place tents cannot work.
Then cannot work.
Huh?
That is on for way. So my dad was telling also